How to redeem your gift card on DoorDash. Now, if you don't know what DoorDash is basically an online food ordering company. And if you want to redeem your gift card on DoorDash, well, it's relatively simple, but it's a little bit tricky if you're not being able to find the option. Then make sure to watch the video till the end. The process to redeem your gift card on DoorDash is that whenever you order a food or any of the thing on DoorDash, during the payment option and on the checkout page, you have the option to add a payment details. But if you want to redeem with gift card, then you have to tap on add promo code as you can see in this image. You can redeem your gift card at DoorDash checkout, but once you prompted to add a payment method, just select the option that says add promo code over here. Once you do so, below the available promotions, look for have a gift card and click on the redeem now button. So you'll basically find the option that says have a gift card, and you have to simply select the option that says redeem now. Once you select redeem now, right over here, you'll then be taken to the gift card redemption page. From there, add the gift card details you received using Honey gift card details feature or any of the other feature that you got, and the gift card amount will be added as DoorDash credit and should automatically be applied to your next order. And now you can go ahead and order your food or anything else, and that's all it takes to redeem your gift card on DoorDash. As I said, you have to redeem it during the checkout process. When you're paying for it, you'll find the option says have a gift card or anything as such. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.